Let's start by opening Photoshop. Mine is Photoshop CC 2017. I guess you can use this method with older version of Photoshop too. To open the image, go to File and click Open, or you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl and O. We'll be using this image. So we have this beautiful picture of this girl in front of a valley. What we want to do is we want to isolate our subject, that is this girl, from the mountains in front of her, so that the subject pops clearly in our photograph, making it distinct. To start with our method, select the brush tool. It is this tool on the left hand side of my screen, or you can use B on your keyboard to select the brush tool. You can use opening third bracket to reduce the size of your brush and closing third bracket to increase the size of your brush. Make sure the opacity and flow of your brush is set to 100. After doing that, press Q and you see that the highlight color of this layer turns red. This means that you have entered the quick mask tool. Press Q again and it will return to its normal color. We will now duplicate this layer so that we don't mess up with the original image. To duplicate the layer, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard and it will make a copy of the layer that you have selected. We will rename this layer to Demo. Press Enter. We will press Q again and see that the color swatches changes. With black selected as foreground color, we are going to draw over this image and see that it draws red line in the image. If we press Q again, it selects the area that we drew upon. Okay, so in order to rub this, you can press Ctrl Z or you can press X on your keyboard so that it switches white to foreground color and black to background color. With white selected as foreground color, you just paint over the path that you drew to remove it. We will increase the brush size and draw over it to erase it and reduce the size to normal. Now we are going to select our subject. Adjust your brush to the size required and draw over your subject. For this you can use quick selection tool as well, but I will show you this one as you can have precise control over it. Zoom into the image by pressing Ctrl and plus. Reduce the brush size and just draw over your subject. I'm not going to fine tune the edges, but the more time you spend fine tuning the edges, the better result you will be getting. Just paint over your subject. After we are done, let me show you. If you drew accidentally out of here, you can press X on your keyboard. It will select white as your foreground color and you can just go over this patch to erase it. Press X again, it will select black as your foreground color and continue selecting your subject. So after you are happy selecting the subject, zoom out of the picture and press Q. It will select the area on which you have painted. After you have made the adjustment to your selection, go to Filter and click on Lens Blur. Now you see that Photoshop has inverted the selection and our subject is blurred out. To correct this, click this invert box and it should select the background instead. Now we see that we have already done a good job isolating the background from our subject. You can slide this slider to the right hand side to increase the blur value and slide it to your left to reduce the blur value. We'll be setting the value to around 30 so that the changes are noticeable. After you are happy with this, click OK, and we have applied the blur effect to our image. Go to select and deselect to exit the selection that we made, and this is our final image. As you can see, we have missed out some places, so you can easily fix this by feathering your brush and fine-tuning the brush size and spending more time refining your selection. But I won't be diving this deep. I just wanted to show you how you can achieve this easy effect to your photos. So let's disable this layer by clicking this eye icon. This was the original image and this is what we have done. We have successfully blurred out the background and our subject stands clear in front of us. Hope this trick helps you and you apply it to your images. If this was helpful in any kind, don't forget to press a like and comment any other topic that you want to learn. I will surely try to make a video next time on it. Do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification if I upload a new video.